Hey Dread fam, it's Umar Farouk and welcome to a brand new video. I believe you're all surprised why I make this video, right? Don't worry, I'll explain everything. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon beside it so you would be notified whenever I upload a new video. Make sure you watch the full video because it's really going to be very useful for you guys. So in today's video, I am going to show you or teach you how you can make money online by selling your Dream League Soccer account.
Nice.
As you all know, a lot of us play video games just to have fun without having any financial gain from the game. So don't worry, I will show you how you can make money with your Dream League Soccer account. This is very easy.
Oh my god! Wow!
So before I proceed, if you want to see more videos like this or videos on how I started my YouTube journey from 0 subscribers to this point, or how my channel got monetized within a short period of time, make sure you subscribe to my second channel because I'll be posting those kind of videos on my second channel. So first of all, I would like you to know that I make this video for the purpose of those that are no longer using their Dream League Soccer account, or those of you that are thinking of abandoning your Dream League Soccer account because you are tired of playing the game. Well, this is a great opportunity for you to make money with your Dream League Soccer account.
Thank you!
It is really going to be interesting. So let's get started. If you have a Dream League Soccer account that you want to sell, or you have a Dream League Soccer account that you are no longer using, this is all you need to do in order to sell the account and make real money. Yeah, I am talking about real money. So first of all, the first thing that you are going to do, or the first thing that you are expected to do, is to join the DroidVillaz Discord server, which is the DroidVillaz Droid fam. I'm talking about my Discord server. So the first thing you are going to do is to join the DroidVillaz Discord server. The link is in the description of this video. You can see it there. So just click on the link and join the Discord server because I am going to show you how you can sell your Dream League Soccer account by using the DroidVillaz Droid fam Discord server. So after joining the DroidVillaz Discord server, the next thing to do is just to send me a DM and tell me that you want to sell your Dream League Soccer account. But before you send me a DM, make sure you check the tag. My Discord username tag is DroidVillaz #8059. The normal username is DroidVillaz, but the Discord tag is #8059, as you can see it on the screen. So after telling me that you want to sell your Dream League Soccer account, you can also contact any of the moderators on my Discord server so they can reach out to me very fast. So after receiving your message, the next thing I will do is just to post it as an announcement for every member of the server to see. And after posting it, we'll have to wait for interested buyers, and after having an interested buyer, the next step is to start the transaction between the owner of the DLS account, the owner of the Dream League Soccer account, and the person that wants to buy the account. But to make things easier and fair, one of the moderators or myself will be involved in the transaction so that nobody will get scammed by anyone. Because I've created a new channel on my Discord server that is meant for buying and selling of DLS accounts, for buying and selling of Dream League Soccer accounts. So that's all you need to do in order to sell your Dream League Soccer account and make money from it or with it. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below, and if I have anything to say, I will say it in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my second channel for this kind of videos. See you in the next one.